I'm sitting out here laying down wood chips around my Hale Haven peach tree. I bought this tree, 2 years ago from Walmart, 25 bucks. And this thing is, Lord have mercy. I'm talking about every bit of probably 12 feet tall, maybe 13, with at least about a 8-foot spread. Probably about as long as maybe 10, about the right there. This girl's just, she's doing the damn thing. Excuse my French. I did have to uproot her last spring, so I didn't get any peaches off her last spring because I had to move her. But she's been here in her new spot here now since last spring, so hopefully she produces this year. If not, I'm just gonna continue to fertilize her, put more wood chips around her and stuff, and keep praying over and see what she does. But she's definitely still alive, and she's definitely still growing. She is. Look at the size of that trunk. She is crazy. That'll be all, folks. Just doing a quick update video. Show a little comparison of how much she grows by the end of this growing season. Everybody stay safe and stay blessed, and see you in the next one.